So you think your pool has a leak? It's time for a professional leak detection to identify the precise location of where the leak is so you can make fast and effective repairs to stop the cost and damage of water loss. Professionals use Leaktronics leak detection equipment. You don't want someone coming to your pool with air tanks and flippers. You want a leak detection technician who listens for the sound of a leak from outside of the pool. That happens with Leaktronics equipment, and you can find a professional in your area by visiting www.leaktronics.com and clicking on our Find a Pro map. The weight of water in a filled pool creates a whooshing sound at the exact area of the leak. Using highly sensitive microphones designed to listen from inside of the pool, technicians listen at all parts of the pool for water escaping. If the leak is in a pipe, technicians use minimally invasive methods by injecting air and water into the pipe to create a boil at the sound of the leak. With the subsurface listening equipment in the Pro Complete Leak Detection Kit, technicians hear exactly where the leak is in the pipe and can advise on repairs with extremely limited construction. For professionals that want to up their game and become the go-to professional members of their community rely on when they discover pool leaks, visit Leaktronics.com and see the Pro Complete Leak Detection Kit and even the training options that thousands of companies around the world have trusted to launch and run their successful leak detection companies. For more information, call 818-436-2953 today.